Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We just received this Scout 330 LXF. This is the S-Class boat, which is an epoxy infused hull. So up front we have a nice windlass up in the bow with foot controls up and down either side, easy to get to, and then you can also, there's a wash down up here that you can wash the anchor off of as it comes in. You have the rod holder, cup holder combinations. Up here you have storage on either side with gas assisted shocks, so easy to open and close. And then you also have this table here that raises up and down, and there's a pad that can be put on top of it to make a full sun pad up here. On either side, port and starboard, you have storage compartments with gas assisted shocks and lights. And then in the bow, or in the seat here, you have a giant storage compartment with a ladder for the aft beach boarding ladder. Storage again on the other side. This is a neat feature that Scout does, these little pop-up lights, so at nighttime, nice area up here with the table up, cocktails and dinner maybe. Moving aft, you have a full windshield. This boat does have the razor light up on the top, the LED light, which really is nice at nighttime. Unique feature on Scouts. Open here you have rod storage, line storage. You can maybe put a little fender in there if you needed to. At the helm here we have twin Garmin screens with a phone charging system. Mercury vessel view. This boat does have the zip wakes. Also air conditioning, which is a pretty neat feature on a 33-foot boat. Little storage compartment here with charging stations in it. A lot of your switchings is up here on the helm. And then this boat does have a hardtop that flips back, makes this a sunroof here. And then these rod holders, as you can see in the back, are in the down position. When you move this backward, those drop down, and then you raise them back up as you put it back in. Thigh-rise seats with armrest on either side. Nice little feature. You got combing boasters all the way around the entire boat. Scout fender pros. Keep your lines nice and tight and your fenders lined up. This boat has the surface top here with a nice stainless steel sink, and then a little refrigerator, keep drinks nice and cold. And this boat does have the Yeti cooler. It's on a slide out. This transom seat folds back up, giving you nice aft space here if you were fishing. Door here with a nice robust hardware. And then over on this side, you have raw water and freshwater hookups, and then also a tuna dive door here, tuna door, whatever you want to call it. It opens up, and there's a ladder. That ladder that we saw up front opens that. Fish boxes on either side. Stereo speakers up in the hardtop. LED lights again, and underneath as well. Everything's powder coated, so maintenance is not an issue. And then the boat's powered by Mercury V10 400s. So it really performs well. It's a double step hull, so it gets up and runs nice and flat on the pad. So if you have any questions, give us a call. This is a Scout 330 LXF, and this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah, 912-525-0961. Thank you.